tries to be as unbiased as possible when showing you things and different people's opinions. So you get to see Patrick Bet David, who I'm a fan of, brings all kinds of people onto his show, and he does all these debates, and he talks about all kinds of different topics from every different perspective possible. So you'll have people from the left come on, he'll have people from the right come on, he'll have people from the middle come on, he'll have people that are not really political come on and talk about all kinds of different subjects. It's really fun. And recently there's also a new valuetainment avenue, which is the Sozcast, Valuetainment Sozcast, SOS Cast, which is bridging finance and romance. It's kind of fun and easy and breezy. They have all kinds of interesting people show up in their live streams. Who do you got? We've got Culturidge. Thank you for joining, Culturidge. Man, there's a lot of awesome people just showing up and waving. Really appreciate your support, guys. Larry Hatman1, just jumping in the live here. Who else we've got? Some awesome other companies such as Motion RC. Motion RC, if you guys don't know, is a company that makes all kinds of cool RC, sells all kinds of cool RC toys. Scott Garner, thank you for showing up, Scott Garner. So yeah, it's a really cool channel. I love the guy James that's there, and everyone else in there. They're doing some really cool things. They've created some very fun, custom-made airplanes. Excuse me. One of their coolest ones ever made is a B-2 bomber RC. Don't worry, it's non-violent. There's no bombs on it. There's no cameras on it. It's nothing like that. It's just a really cool remote control plane that you can fly, and it just looks so cool. What else we've got? We got we've got Horizon Hobby, but we've also got Banana Hobby. Banana Hobby, if you guys don't know about it, I don't know if their website is still running or not, or their channel is still running. I don't see any new videos from them. Maybe they gave up because YouTube is such a toxic place. Chip retired 224. Thank you for joining the chat. It's so cool. Feel free to leave any comments or questions you may have on here. But anyway, love you guys. Thank you so much for showing up and supporting. I was talking about bananahobby.com. It's one of my favorites of all times, but I don't know if they're making any new videos. I haven't seen any new posts from them in a long time. I don't know if their website